You see, a woman is a representation of their man. And you see values and attributes where you have your man get respect based off of that. Did you know that man get respect based off of the type of woman what they date? It is important for you and your man to walk through any community at all, and nobody can laugh after your man and pine upon you and say, yeah, but sleep with that the girl if you little or no. No. Your man go get respect if ever and anybody cannot say they sleep with you. And they will look up to your man as a top man and say, yeah, you get the woman what every man did only wish they had. Let us value ourselves because it works out in the end.
Blessings. This evening, I have compiled a list of stories. Stay with us for all in detail. It is very important for you to watch the video throughout its entirety, all the way to the end for understanding. So, in the meantime, be reminded that if you are new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all. So that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel, on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more. Beatitude. Intro. Soon forward. Over to the Bread Basket Parish of St. Elizabeth. This morning, February 20, at around 9 a.m., gunmen held up and robbed a haberdashery of an undetermined sum of money in Santa Cruz on Coke Drive in the parish. It has been reported that two men entered the establishment, brandished firearms, and demanded money. The cash was handed over and the men escaped. They absconded. And this is the second incident to have happened in recent days, as on Saturday, a supermarket operator was injured after he picked up a round on the Ballards Valley Main Road in St. Elizabeth by men who also stole a bag containing approximately $1 million. They take us them out and hunting. We're happy no life was lost during these unfortunate encounters.
Don't worry about my we're not speaking about come back in, Juba. Last night. I'm better get shot now. Come now. Last night. 1, 2, 3. No man, you can't we go now, Juba. Over. 1, 2, 3. Come on here. What is it? Help. You like this? Yo, right over. You know nobody I didn't make him turn around there. Just Africa, right away. Right.
And as we take a look at the incident that happened last night on the North-South Highway, it is said that the occupants of the Nissan Sylphy motor car that was involved in the vehicular collision had gunshot wounds. So the Portmore police are now investigating the circumstances surrounding that particular incident, in which 5 persons were traveling from an event in St. Ann in the mentioned Nissan Sylphy motor car. That car was intercepted by 3 other vehicles whose occupants reportedly opened gunfire, discharging rounds like a switch-matic. The driver of the Sylphy picked up a few rounds but was desperately trying to drive the vehicle to seek medical attention. And like I stated in several videos before, when the bullet take effect, that was when he lost control of the vehicle and crashed into a ravine in the vicinity of Caymanas Gardens in St. Catherine. Good Samaritans do exist, as passing motorists assisted the occupants of the vehicle to hospital where they were admitted. A man known only as Dada of Greenwich Farm Kingston address succumbed to his injuries and later pronounced, "This is like the Undertaker's never-ending streak." No, I have in possession a photograph of a so-called farmer from the breadbasket parish of St. Elizabeth who was arrested in relation to the seizure of an illegal gun in Bull Savannah on Thursday. This man on your display is 38-year-old Sameka Sylvester, otherwise called Oti, of a delightful district in the parish. He has been slapped with the charge of possession of a prohibited weapon. On Thursday, February 16, at around 2:05 p.m. in the afternoon, Sylvester was seen driving a motor car along the Bull Savannah main road when he was signaled to stop. He reportedly disobeyed and accelerated. The police gave chase, and following closely behind Sylvester, he was observed throwing an object from the car, and being the investigators they are, it was retrieved and discovered to be a .380 Bersa pistol. He was subsequently arrested and charged, which is right. From the breadbasket parish over into the garden parish of St. Ann, we are at the scene of a fatal hit and run. A manager employed to the Grand Bahia Principe Hotel in Runaway Bay was pronounced this morning at around 8:20 a.m. after being struck by a vehicle traveling at high speed. The driver of the vehicle did not stop, but the police have in possession critical information that can assist in identifying the driver. The deceased was walking back to the hotel after leaving his vehicle at a nearby car wash when he was hit. However, the police have not yet released his identity. And just over the weekend, at that very same spot, a chef employed to the same hotel was pronounced on the spot at the entrance of the Grand Bahia Principe Hotel in Miami Bay. That is just over 48 hours, and there has been several fatalities at that hotel, from construction right up to its completion. And as you can see, it continues. So leave a comment and make your opinion counts down in the comment section. Over to St. Catherine, we are in the Portmore area, and on your display as we speak is 47-year-old Sameka D-Pass, otherwise called Megan, of Winona Drive, Garvey Mead, Portmore in St. Catherine. She has been missing since Friday, February 17. She is of brown complexion, medium built, and about 165 centimeters, calculation 5 feet 5 inches tall. The Bridgeport police have confirmed that about 9:30 a.m. D-Pass was last seen at home wearing a yellow and white plaid dress, a pair of white slippers, and a grey cross body bag. All efforts to contact Sameka have proven futile. She is said to be of unsound mind. So anyone knowing the whereabouts of Sameka D-Pass is being asked to contact the Bridgeport police at 876-727-5608. The 119 police emergency number is also available, or you can stop by the nearest police station in your vicinity. So there you have it, and please do remember, be reminded that if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel, on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm blessings and more beatitude. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.